my cutie little fandom. My name is Nandini Soni. So today's the story is Ghost Steal My Perfume. Yes.
What? One pair of pants later.
When I was in my home, sitting in the couch, and I was so happy, and suddenly the bell ringed up. Cling, cling. And then I pick up the phone. Hello. My friend speaking. Hello Nandu, where are you right now? Please come to my home. I said ठीक है आ रही हूँ. कुछ काम है क्या? She said हाँ जल्दी आ. तेरे लिए कुछ गिफ्ट है.
Pow!
And I said wow. And I'm going to give. And then I just kept my phone and excited to go there. And when I reach and knock the door, and then she opened it, and I was so happy to see her, and then I hugged immediately. I enter in a home and sit in the couch and just taking a rest. Suddenly I saw a very big gift. Very big? नहीं छोटी थी यार, छोटी थी, इतनी छोटी सी. Yes. And I asked to my friend, dear, for whom you are giving this gift and for whom this gift is? And she said to me, अबे बुद्धू तेरे लिए है ये गिफ्ट. I said मेरे लिए? Wow. And I was so excited कि oh God, अभी तक तो आज तक किसी ने इतनी बड़ी गिफ्ट नहीं दी है मेरी बर्थडे पार्टी पर भी. चलो thank God somebody gave me at least a normal day, and I was so happy. And then when I took the gift and just go to my home, I sit in the couch again and just taking a relax because I got a gift, an expensive gift. When I opened the gift, I found a very expensive gift. Guess it what? Perfume.
अरे हाथ मत लगा मेरे भाई को.
परफ्यूम सेलिन नहीं, मुझे तो परफ्यूम के नाम भी नहीं पता है. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक परफ्यूम, दैट इज कोबरा. एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी. हैं ऐसी भी बोतल होती है, कोटाड़ू से ऐसी, कैटी ऐसी. Wow, it is really very good bottle. And then I just take the bottle and open it. Wow, what I smell. It is very expensive. Oh God. हाँ expensive था भाई, 200 का भी था. Still it is very expensive. It is so lovable gift because first it is given by my friend and second पहली बार जिंदगी में किसी ने परफ्यूम गिफ्ट किया था. हाँ गलमान मेरी I used to take perfume and just put it down. And then my mother said, Ruk. What are you doing? I said, Mom, this is perfume and I'm just like sprinkle in my arm. And then my mother says, why are you using this perfume? I said, what? तो क्या करूँ? Potty लगाऊँ? And she said, no, you should not use perfume because तुम्हारी राशि खराब है. I think there are a lot of people specifically in India, they are mostly heard कि do not use perfume. हमारी राशि खराब है, परफ्यूम यूज मत करना. एंड द सेम थिंग आई वाज हर्ड एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, आई एम नॉट डूइंग. बट आई ऑलवेज ईगर टू पुट एंड जस्ट स्प्रिंकल सम परफ्यूम एवरी डे टू शो माई स्टेटस एंड शो सी हु आई एम. एंड देन आई वाज सो हैप्पी. एंड देन इट ऑब्वियसली इट इज माई फर्स्ट गिफ्ट, दैट इज परफ्यूम. एंड आई जस्ट चुपचाप ओपन द बोटल एंड देन स्प्रिंकल. वाह, द स्मेल इज टू ऑसम यार. वो बहुत अच्छी स्मेल थी, बहुत अच्छा लगा. बट मेरी जिंदगी के अच्छे दिन खत्म होने वाले हैं, देखिए. देन इट इज़ द इवनिंग टाइम एंड माई कजिन, माई मामा's का लड़का, he also came and they were shouting my name. Nandu, hey Tannu. Who is Tannu? Tannu is my name of my home. And they were screaming my name, Tannu, listen. And then I said, भाई क्या हुआ? Why are you screaming my name? Am I famous? And then they said to me कि go to fear, we are going with us. I'm saying no, I don't like crowded place and I'm not going. And then they replied to me, oh, तो तुम्हें crowded place पसंद नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा status वाली हो रही है, चलो जल्दी. And then after a lot of pressure in my mind, I was ready to go with them. Finally, I went there. And after I just changed my clothes, put the very expensive perfume, wow, and then I was ready putting some lipstick and just ready for fair. And I went there. My brother was saying, "Oh, तैयार हो गई? You have to take 1 hour." I said, no, I'm getting ready. Please tell you. And then when I went, I said, मैं पकौड़ी नहीं खा रही. And then I eat 10 पकौड़ी. हाँ 10 पकौड़ी ज़्यादा नहीं है. 20-30 पकौड़ी थे like, but मेरे को इतनी ज़्यादा पकौड़ी पसंद नहीं है. And then I went there and there was a boat. I was excited to riding in the boat. There was a fear in my mind कि भाई if I ride, when I go up then it is good, but when I go down it is going to take my life, because यार ऊपर से नीचे आने में ना ऐसी तैसी हो जाती है. And but luckily I sit there. मैं वहाँ बैठी और बैठ के देखा यार चल देखते हैं क्या होगा, आज फियर निकाल ही देते हैं. Just enjoy your life. And then when I sit in the boat go up and then down. I was like and then I slow down myself and I was like wow. Just I freely opened my hand, my arms, and then shouted yeah, and all the melas wala saying oh god इस लड़की को देखो. But ठीक है, enjoy your life. fear तो निकल ही गया. And I was so excited that I will come again here. I was so excited कि भाई next time I have to come here and only for the melas jhulas. And then finally when I give money to them and then come back, we stop at the ice cream stall and then I took a Blue Lagoon ice cream. Everybody was taking another type of ice cream. Obviously my cousins were not so much educated. उनमें से मैं थोड़ी पढ़ी लिखी थी. I know the ice cream name. वो भी मेरी चाची ने खुद मुझको बताया थी. Even I don't know the ice cream name. कौन कौन से Chocobar, Focobar and the Chocolots, I don't know about them. And then when they were telling me these are the names, I was saying let's try show something, let's do some show off. And then finally I said please भैया Blue Lagoon देना. And then my cousin was looking at me. What is Blue Lagoon? Laddu. I said no, it's not laddu. It is Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon is an ice cream. And please, it is ice cream. And then finally, I get to know, and these people also get to know कि Blue Lagoon नाम की एक ice cream होती है. ठीक है भाई. And then I took it and just like eating. But लोगों को पचा नहीं. And then my sister is snatching my ice cream because उनकी ice cream ख़त्म हो गई थी. They don't have ice cream and they snatch it. But still उसमें मैंने आधी खा ली. ऐसी की बात है ना. चलिए. Next time what happened? I went in my home and just take off my clothes and change into another. मैं थोड़ी घरवाली बन गई. And then I just looking at my perfume कि भाई where is my perfume? I saw the whole bottle is empty. What? The whole bottle is empty. I look at my mother with the doubted eyes. Mother, did you do this? My mother was saying, are you stupid? Are you cringy? Why should I do this? And I was like, mother, you always...
What?
I said, don't use perfume. Definitely you did. She just take the slip and just, thank God, गाल पे नहीं रखा, यहाँ रखा. अच्छा, so I'm going to take your perfume. I don't have any other work. I even don't know. And the whole bottle, the full bottle was empty. I was shocked. For a 1 hour, how can this bottle be empty? And I was asking. I don't know what to do. I was like, किसने किया? My father don't know that this is perfume. And he even don't know कि the perfume is keeping here or the perfume is the place here or something like this. उनको कुछ नहीं पता था इसके बारे में. उन्हें पता भी नहीं perfume है. उन्हें कोई मतलब ही नहीं था. My mother no, but my mother ऐसा काम नहीं करेंगी. पूरी बोतल थोड़ी नहीं छिड़क के ऐसी खत्म कर देंगी. And the bottle's cap was tightly closed. There is no chance. And the very strange thing, when the bottle is empty, the smell is actually coming from the particular place of the room. And I was shocked. The whole room was smelly. My father was asking, Did you use incense stick here? Agarbatti? क्या अगरबत्ती चलाई है? I was saying no. And even I smell it. It was very pleasant smell. But that smell I realized कि smell तो मेरे ही perfume की है. If my father didn't do, if I will not do, somebody gift me a perfume, तो why should I do this? My mother will also not do. मेरी मम्मी कैसे कर देंगी भाई खर्च? She always hide the thing if she think कि I should not make her use, या मुझे कोई चीज़ तो वो छुपा के रख देती है. She never do like this, and I don't do. And there is no fourth person in my home who did this. किसने किया होगा? And I was thinking, I was sharing this thing, and my mother was saying there are a lot of incident happened with you earlier, and we don't know who is that people, but still these incident happen. I will share you if you will comment on it. And then I was like, हाँ यार, there is somebody. And the more strange thing, the smell is coming from a particular place in the room, not the whole house. If the smell, suppose if the perfume was leaked, then the smell should come throughout the whole home. But why only a particular place? And the smell was moving. I was like, क्या हो रहा है? Who was the enemy of my perfume? कि कौन था मेरे enemy को? Like I will just डिशम कर दूँगा. Who was the enemy of mine? What my perfume did with you? क्या तुम्हें पता नहीं मैं perfume लगा लूँ? I'm asking to the ghost. Obviously there is somebody, and that is guarantee कि somebody था. And next day, I was thinking there are a lot of very big windows in my home, and the smell can easily go throughout the night. And the very shockable thing, the next day, the smell was still at the same place. And it is not this, it is that. बहुत बड़ी जगह पर स्मेल आ रही थी.
One pair of pants later.
Stay, I wake up and I was like thinking कि आज तो मैं स्मेल देखूंगी, चली गई. Again at the same place the smell is coming. If nobody use perfume in my home, तो फिर परफ्यूम कैसे क्या हुआ? Even if perfume is leak, तो उसकी स्मेल विंडो से चली जानी चाहिए. भाई वो परफ्यूम की स्मेल विंडो से गई नहीं. सबसे शॉकिंग बात है, वो स्मेल एक ही जगह पर आ रही थी, एक ही कमरे में. दूसरा, अरे एक दिन रहेगी, 2 दिन रहेगी, and the next day again and again the smell was last up to 10 days. अब some people were saying अरे maybe leaking हो गया होगा. लीक कैसे हो जाएगा भाई? The bottle was completely packed. There is no chance of leaking. I was just sparkled like that. भाई ऐसे नहीं ओपन करके मैंने निकाली थी वो, तो there is no chance of leaking. There is no chance to break it out. ब्रेक हो गई तो वो टूटी जाएगी. Obviously वो टूटी नहीं थी, साजी थी. अब there are some people who say it is a gas. भाई it is not a gas, it is liquid. लिक्विड नहीं उड़ेगा बिना हीट अप करके. साइंस पढ़ी है मैंने थोड़ी सी. तो कैसे हुआ? And how the ghost steal my perfume. And then after 10 days, even the smell is coming. The smell is not coming for the very big place, but there is a small place जहाँ से smell आती है. Even now the smell is coming. What do you really think? The ghost steal my perfume. ये true है. There was a third person beside me, my father and me, who actually did some work. And there is no person who enter in my home because the perfume was very like in the room which is very inside. And all the cousin came outside. वो तो अंदर आए नहीं थे. And if you like this story, that like, comment and please subscribe to the bell icon. I'm going to tell you the very interesting story of my life. They all are the real story I experience. मेरे संग बहुत ऐसी अच्छी stories experience होती है. And if you like this particular content, just comment below in which language, and if you give any kind of feedback कि I need to improve this, just give me here. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Love you all. Bye bye.